Welcome to the Grand Prairie here in Hockley, Texas. And I'm standing here with Keegan with Weston Homes. Hi, Keegan. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Doing well. So tell us a little bit about this community and what the price points are on your homes and your incentives.
Sure. Grand Prairie, brand new community. It's going to have about 6,000 homes. The first amenity center is going to be under construction here shortly, going to open up for summer of 2025. They've got a massive hill that they've built in between two lakes to the north. It's going to have a spiraling sidewalk to get up to the top, so it'll be great for looking at the views and all across the community, taking photos, things like that.
Okay.
Weston's price point, we have 45-foot product and 60-foot product. Our 45-foot product starts in the mid-4s, and our 60-foot product starts in the low 6s.
Okay, great. And so you were telling me a few minutes ago that you guys do not restrict the buyer to use your preferred lender, that you do offer incentives and they can actually use their own lender.
That's correct. Yeah, one of the benefits of working with Weston, we'll take care of you on closing costs with any lender. We do have preferred lenders that we can work with that if you need one, but a lot of buyers in our higher price ranges already have a relationship with the lender, and we want to make sure that we can help with that.
That is awesome. Well, we are excited to visit your home and to look around your model home. And if you are interested in seeing one of these homes by Weston Builders, just be sure to email us, text us, call us, like and subscribe to our channel. And let's take a look at this home and see what they've got to offer. We're about to visit another Weston home here in the Grand Prairie community in Hockley, Texas. This home is in a mid-400 price range. It's about 2,600 square feet, and it's still under construction, but you can get an idea of what this new home looks like here in Hockley. Let's take a look. you today?
Good.
I'm Mundy Wortham, and I'm from the Home Channel YouTube channel. And we're here checking Hockley out. And you guys were mentioning you just bought a home here?
Yes.
And do you like it here in Hockley?
Yes, I like it. They just built a Dunkin' and they have this like down the street, like 5-7 minutes from us.
Okay, and it's convenient to downtown?
Yeah.
Awesome. So if you were to recommend a place to live, you'd recommend Hockley?
Yes, it's very calm and quiet and safe for the kids.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. Hi, I'm Mundy Wortham. I'm from the Home Channel. Do you live here in Hockley?
I do, yes.
Awesome. Do you like living in Hockley?
I love it, yes.
What do you like best about Hockley?
Well, it's away from the big city, not too far from the major highways, and I love my neighborhood. I love the neighbors. I love the home that I'm in.
Okay, great. Is it convenient to like Houston and such? I mean, the location?
It is. I don't actually have to go all the way to Houston to get the things that I need, but
Because they have everything you need here in Hockley, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for talking with us today.
welcome.
All righty, you have a great day.
You too.
So that's a little bit about Hockley, Texas. We talked to some residents who live here. They told you just how great this place is. So be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, watch our video on homes here in Hockley, Texas, and call, text, or email us and let us bring you out here to see these houses.
This video was produced by Visionary Masterminds.